Hey everybody, welcome to today's edition of Air Testing Made Easy. I'm James Scher, and today we're going to discuss repair and replacement of adapters using the TRI test equipment. The adapters on our equipment is the same whether using the original or the Champion 35, so today we'll demonstrate it with the Champion 35 unit. There are several types of adapters we commonly use. We have a moisture tube fitting, an air transfer fitting for use with Chemex bottles, a quick disconnect fitting for use with cylinders and larger volume samples, and your pressure gauge. All of these items are field changeable. Some of the most common reasons people have to make these changes is damage to the air transfer fitting. If you bend the needles by properly removing the bottle, you can try to straighten them gently by hand or with use of a needle nose pliers. You can verify its functionality by ensuring the float in the bottle is moving. If the damage is too severe, you can send it back to us. We'll send you a new one and you can field swap them. If you need to grab a larger volume, often we'll have to have people swap out their air transfer fitting for the quick disconnect fitting. These fittings should be just hand tightened into the housing using no Teflon tape or no putty. If you have additional questions about our air transfer fittings, please call us at 512-263-0498 and ask for technical support.